Hello everybody, Sai Salari here again with Crazy Bespoke. Behind me, the 2020 GT by KEYVANY. So just to give you a little background, we became a US distributor for KEYVANY product about 6 months ago. This is the first car we have actually built. We have two more in the build. One is a 2020 G63 and a 2020 Urus. As far as the quality and styling goes, KEYVANY is probably one of the finest refined product I've worked with in our shop since we started. The quality of the component, the fitment, the quality of carbon, attention to detail, everything is on point. I mean, as good as you're gonna get for an aftermarket company. And we work with some of the top brands around the world, but by far KEYVANY tops the list right now, among a couple of other brands that we work with. The full KEYVANY build kit comes with exposed carbon bonnet, the hood bonnet with a vented bonnet, complete front bumper replacement, and everything was in full exposed carbon. We went ahead and painted some of the areas to give it a little bit more depth. Like this whole thing was carbon. We painted these parts and this part to give it the illusion of what you see as far as what was carbon. Vented fenders. The fenders were replaced, as you see right here. They're all they're vented here. So it was a complete front fender replacement. Lower diffuser in carbon fiber. The full side skirt is carbon, and the vents inside. In the back of the vehicle, carbon rear trunk spoiler and full rear carbon bumper, which comes with total rear diffuser in carbon and your exhaust tips, dual exhaust tip on each side, staggered. We chose Vossen 22-inch forged wheels with the floating cap with Pirelli tires. This was a collaboration between us and our friend RD at Wires Only to build the car for one of his clients. As you see, the interior is in red. The car is a gorgeous color combination all the way around. Oh, also the mirror caps are by KEYVANY, as you see. So the car actually took us no later than 3 weeks to complete because of the amount of work it was. But honestly, on a typical kit, this job would have taken minimum of 6 weeks. We built the car in a matter of half of that time frame. And that all had to do with the quality of the kit that we started with. We're very, very pleased with this partnership with KEYVANY and the first car that you see behind me that turned out unbelievable. Please stay tuned on our new build with him on the Urus, which is in a showroom waiting to get worked on, and also the G-Wagon that is in the back getting worked on. The G-Wagon should be done within the next 3 weeks or so, so stay tuned and you will see the final product on that. Thank you so much.